talk about emotions this morning. Again, you guys are like, oh, great. The battle within, the conscious and subconscious processing of our emotions. So David, his story is shaped by deep-seated wounds, early rejection, betrayal, loss, and the burdens of leadership, which a lot of his life experiences could be.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna get into a hodgepodge of like decluttering, cleaning, prepping. I finished church, as you saw, and I just made some lunch. Don't judge me, I'm trying to use up what's in the fridge. So I have a kind of like a hot turkey cheese sandwich I made with the ciabatta roll, and then I had some left, so I just melted some cheese on it, some pickles, and a drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'm watching a Hallmark mystery, and then we'll get started on some of the projects. Okay, one thing I'm doing is going to be getting rid of this chair. One, it's very uncomfortable, but it is unstable, and I can't find the tool, and none of the ones I have will work to secure it back up. So tomorrow my plan is to make a run to Goodwill, so I want to take that, and then there's some stuff in the spare bedroom. Don't mind the hair. It is so windy out, so every time I go out it just blows everything every which direction. But we're gonna kind of clean the house, and I need to do like a deep clean of the drawer to my nightstand, and then I also want to do a deep clean of the upper cabinets in my bathroom while we're doing this stuff. So I'm gonna show you that. So I think the plan is going to be to start in here. Really only keep pills in here, but you can see there's like dog hair like crazy somehow gotten there. So I want to vacuum that out and clean it, and then we're going to start by dusting and vacuuming in here, and then we'll move to the bathroom. I think we're just going to take it one room at a time. So in here, we just need to kind of clean and declutter. The biggest thing that's bothering me is all of this stuff from my contact solution. So that needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, so we're gonna get that done. And then I'll kind of clean surface on the counter here. I'm not doing my traditional clean of everything, just the things that need to be done. So the next thing I need to do, I want to wash these windows in here. I doubt you're gonna be able to see it, but we've killed a few bugs on the upper ones and they're real grubby, so I want to clean these, even though I know it's going to get nasty when they start work here in the next week. But let's get these cleaned off. It's not like me to take a nap, but I fell asleep for a little bit. I think to wrap this video up, I'm just going to show you the really easy dinner that I'm planning on making tonight. It's like tortellini with chicken sausage, Alfredo, and broccoli, but all of it's really easy, so this shouldn't take long to throw together. I am going to take the dog outside first, and then when we come back in, we'll get cooking. All right, we're making this really easy. I'm going to throw this in the air fryer, but I'm going to slice it ahead of time and make it easier on myself. And then we'll start boiling water for tortellini, because that doesn't take long. Okay, I got the broccoli in the microwave. We're gonna kind of cut that up when it comes out. And then once this is boiling, we throw the tortellini in. I'll drain it and leave it in the strainer and start heating the pasta sauce and the meat and all that stuff together before I add in the cooked tortellini. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make a quick garlic toast situation. Texas toast, whatever you wanna call it, with the last of the ciabatta rolls. Well, that's my dinner. Mind you, there was no recipe. I just threw that together from some ingredients. So hopefully it tastes good, but I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'm sorry this one was short. I just was so tired. It was hard to do a lot. But I do hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.